Cooper with King Piers here today, back in Liberty at our 16 King Pier 2 job to help level this house. Right now we are finishing digging out all these holes. We got a couple of these piers in place. Gonna start the lifting stage, get this wall straightened back to vertical. Finish digging out these holes, flat bottoms. We did have to take out a couple of these boards. Put these piers in place in here. Once we get it all lifted and leveled, we'll encase these piers with concrete. Start the backfilling process. Give us a call, any foundational needs at 816-521-8915. Feel free to visit kingpiers.com. Thank you.